Welcome to our F.I.R.S.T Institute channel. Give us a like and tell us what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon so you never miss a beat with what's happening on our campus. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm Tshela Green.
And I am Brandon Hadnout Walker.
And we're instructors here at F.I.R.S.T Institute in the Graphic Design and Web Development program.
We know what it's like as graphic designers to start out and how to go from this to that.
Okay, so how do you go from this to that? And how do you create more professional looking designs?
Well, it all boils down to some really simple concepts known as the elements and principles of design.
Here are 10 graphic design fundamentals for beginners that will help you make more polished looking design.
The first element of design is color. Different colors convey different feelings, emotions, and moods. There are warm colors and there are cool colors, and colors can be inspired by the theme of your project. For example, would you use bright pink for a fall-themed sail? Probably not.
The second element of design is size. The size of the objects on your page actually play a part in the overall balance of your design. Think about it. What do you want your audience to look at first?
The third element of design is space. Space is that thing around objects, and negative space is empty or open space between design elements. Negative space can be a really good thing. When things are cluttered, it actually causes confusion.
The fourth element of design is line. A line is formed when 2 points are connected. You can have straight lines and curved lines. A line can be thick, thin, wide, or narrow. All lines have direction: horizontal, vertical, or even diagonal. The direction of a line creates movement and leads the eye around a design.
The fifth element of design is texture. Texture is the surface quality of a shape. It can be rough, soft, smooth, glossy, etc. This can be illustrated whether using hand sketching, photography, or computer illustrated design.
The sixth principle of design is contrast. It means taking two things and comparing the differences. So there are 4 different methods of creating contrast in a design. They include using variations of size, color, space, and type.
Now the 7th principle of design is alignment. And alignment is like order. So when you're placing different elements on the layout, try to have them line up in some type of way. This creates visual balance and structure.
The 8th principle of design is repetition. Repetition is taking your various elements and finding ways to bring them together with like color, size, and shape. Using an element more than once can actually make your layout come together.
The 9th principle of design is proximity. This is where related elements are placed together and unrelated elements are placed apart. We naturally associate things that are close as being a unit. Proximity uses space in a good way. Awkward spaces are just awkward.
The 10th element that we like to incorporate here at F.I.R.S.T Institute is personality. That's where you take all of the elements and all of the principles and bring them together with your spin and your take on it. So have fun and be inspired.
Once again, I'm Brandon.
And I'm Tshela. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and why don't you let us know what your favorite principles are in the comments below.
And stay tuned for more tips and tricks from F.I.R.S.T Institute about the digital media industry.
Want to keep up with the latest graduates and trends in the digital media industry? Subscribe now, and we'll see you on campus soon.